Am I recording?
Yeah, you're recording.
Okay. Hello, YouTube. People of YouTube, people of the world, whatever the fuck you want to go by today. Today, since you clicked the video, I'm going to do the P90 BB gun review. So, when you buy the gun, well, it's going to be black. Because I had this one, broke the battery a while ago, so I painted it gold. Just got me a new battery today. And just charged it up. Been using it for 5 minutes. But, when you buy it brand new, it's going to be all black, and it comes with only the clip. But, I'm going to use my scope from my other gun. From the Famous that you saw in my other video. And of course my clip's not loaded. I mean my clip's not fully loaded.
Now we're going to China.
Okay, let's go try this shit out.
Trip, trip, trip.
What's my handgun?
Trip, 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 fall down.
Oh, fucking shit. Ah, damn it. I'm fucking wearing my goddamn new shoes, too.
Trip, trip, trip.
Okay, as you guys can see what I did to the bunny earlier. Hold up for a second.
Trip, trip, trip.
Okay.
Trip, trip, trip.
Now, here's the safety. Safety's down here right next to the trigger. So, let's take it off safety. And let's aim. So that's a gold bunny. Yeah, it's on the scope, right, guys?
Yeah, it is a girl.
So let's aim at the pussy, guys. It's on the scope. And put some jams easily. Yeah, because the YouTube. The clip can hold 520 BBs. It's upside down. See, that's how much the clip can hold. But the BB goes in right here. Zoom in. Yeah, the BB go in right there. But when it's coming out of the clip here, it jams up into it. So let's try this again. Well, I don't think she has a vagina no more. What do you say, guys? Still got a couple more beads. Let's try the ears. Goddamn, almost out. Got 2 more BBs, guys. 1. Where's the last shot be, Lloyd?
Right in the foot.
Which one? The one on the ground, the one lifted up.
Listen, lift it up.
Oh, it missed. Oh well. Well, let's go back over here and show how much of a pain in the ass it is to fucking reload.
Reload, reload. Sugar in the foot, call it reload.
Always put it on safety when you're not using it. The battery is in the back compartment, back here. So you don't have to worry about unplugging it or shit like that when trying to use it. Okay. Now to take off the clip, you pull that back, lift that up, slide it out. Now here comes the pain in the ass part. To load the first part, slide that down, put in the BBs there, so it gets filled up to here. Slide that back up, then you gotta put in the BBs by hand up there. It is a pain in the ass. But this gun, personally, it's my favorite BB gun because P90 is my favorite. Yeah, back up so they get the gun in me.
You in
Check for
again.
the bike. Don't trip. Go that way. Let's go fall in the damn pool.
If I fall in the pool, I blame you.
You have my phone. I'll fucking
Yeah.
shoot you, ass.
Ain't nothing in there.
So, but pretty much, it's my favorite gun. But, damn it, don't break this fucking pan away. I pretty much give this one a 9 out of 10. We'll give it a full 10 out of 10, but since it gets jammed, I give it 9 out of 10. So YouTube, this gun, that's the end of this video. But, next video, I'm going to do my model 1911 handgun. And I'm going to start that one right after this video. So peace out YouTube. Go ahead and end it.